In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Snapchat timeout warning. If you're facing this issue, then the first thing you want to do is open up Play Store. Now tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar, and here you want to search Snapchat. If you find the option of update, tap on that. Updating the app is going to fix any bugs within the app, and it's also going to improve the performance. After you have done this, check if your issue is resolved. If not, the next thing you want to do is launch open your settings, then scroll down and tap on apps. From this list of application, you want to find the option of Snapchat, tap on that. Now scroll down and find storage, tap on that. Here, you want to tap on the option of clear cache. Once that is done, head back out of your settings and go to Snapchat. Here you want to check if your issue is fixed. If not, then what you want to do is uninstall the app. For that, tap and hold on the Snapchat icon, then tap on the uninstall option. Here, tap on OK. Once that is done, open Play Store or App Store, search for Snapchat, and then tap on the install option. After reinstalling the app, log into your account and this issue will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.